Day ma'am, this is my activity. First, import Java Swing. Import Java Swing table default table mode. This imports allow the program to use Swing GUI components, GFrame, GButton, GTextField, GTable, layout and color from AWT Java, and the default table model to manage table data dynamically. Next, class student information system. The student information system class extend GFrame, which means it represent a window inside this class. All GUI component text field buttons table and their functionality are defined. And next, private final GText field. These are variables that store the GUI components. GText field for student ID, name and course input. GCombo box for selecting the year level. GTable to display student records in a table format. And default table model to manage the table data and remove edit rows. And next code, static class rounded button. This is a special button that looks more modern with rounded corners, overrides paint component and paint border to draw a rounded rectangle instead of the normal rectangle. And set contain area field false disables the default rectangular background, allowing the custom coloring and the radius control how round the corners appears. And next, public student information system. The constructor sets up the whole GUI, including the window size, title, background, color, layout, and all component. It also initializes the menu bar, input panel, buttons, table, and bottom panel. And next code, color sky blue. And this defines the consistent color scheme for the up light blue background, red buttons, and white text for readability. And next, G menu bar creates a menu at the top of the window. And file menu option to clear all record or exit and application. And help menu about information. And last, add the menus to the menu bar and sets it for the frame. Next, G panel, a new G panel uses grid layout 6 rows times 2 columns for the neat agreement of labels and text field, and contains field for student ID, name, course, and year level. Also hold at student and view selected buttons using the custom rounded button class. And next, string columns. Student ID, name, course, year, level. Display student records in a tabular format. Default table model allows adding or removing rows dynamically. GS scroll pane wraps the table so user can scroll if there are many records. And next, G button panel, new G panel, and rounded button contains a clear table button at the bottom for removing all student records. Next, uses the same rounded button style for visual consistency. And next, code add panel border layout north. Uses the border layout to place components. Top north, input panel center, table button south, clear button. And BT in add addiction listener, add action listener, and add student button calls add student to add a new record. View select button calls view student to show selected row info. Clear table button calls clear table to remove all records. Menu items are also connected to action like clearing existing or showing about. And next, code private void add student. reads values from input field. Check if field are empty, shows an error if so. Add a new row to the table using model add row. Clears the input field after adding. And next code private void views student. Gets the selected row from the table display. The student ID, name, course, and year label in pop up. If no row is selected, it shows an error message. And next code private void clear table. Ask for confirmation with pop up. Clear all rows using model set row count. And next public static void. Launches the program on the event dispatch thread EDT, which is a proper way to start a Swing GUI. Creates an instance of student permission system which automatically build and shows the GUI. And this is my output. First, putang kita ng student ID. And next, name, also course, and year, second year. And next, add student. Tapos view. Tapos kung gusto natin clear, add pa sila ng clear.